Okay, this is Rani Ahmed with you. Um, this is the fourth lesson in TK2CL, and in this lesson, gonna talk about arrays. Uh, an array in TCL is like making a structure in C++, by which you have one variable, and for example, it has many sub data. Okay. For example, we have here the student, and it has the name, the ID, the address, the birth year, the marks, whatever. Okay, so here I'm having an array. Now, the items in the array or the elements of the array must be even. As such, you mention the subdata. Okay, and you've got which you can call it the index here, and you must have a value. Okay, like here. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the first one, this is the second one. So every time every line must be even. Okay, so if I want to get the name of the student, I just use this way, $student between those parentheses, and I get the name. It will be printed. Similar for the ID, same thing for the student address, and same thing for the birth year. So if I wanna run it, and up to here, if I want to set any of the values, I can just say student ID like this without the $sign, and just put the value that I want. Now, $lesson4. Okay, so this is how I run it. Okay, it has been set as executable chmod +x, the file, and this is the print out of those lines. So I've got the name, that's the name, that's the ID, that's the address, that's the birth year. You can add as much as you want of couples here, similar to this. Okay, now I want to move on, and I want to print the change here in the student ID after I set it. So I press enter because I put a pause here to get anything, any key press. So press like this. So now it's printed. See, the 68. Now again, there is a way to get the size of this array. Size of this array is the number of elements in this array, which we have here 4. So if I count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, so this is another pause I made. Okay, so press enter again, and you've got the size of the student arrays. Get the command named array, and get the subcommand name size of the array, and get the variable, which is an array, to display how many items in this array. So we get 4. Okay, now if I want to search the names, okay, the names of the array, okay, there are in the student. Okay, we want to search, for example, what does have in the names. Those are the names of the array. Okay, the indexes are the names. So in those indices, using the glob method, okay, we are asking which names has the letter A in it. Here has the letter A in it means that it starts with anything and has an A, and it ends with anything. So the star here means anything. Okay, now there's another way called regular expression, regx. Okay, I'm not gonna go that deep in it. Okay, but all I can tell you is this is another way to search for names. So it means here it starts with n. Okay, and has at least one letter. Okay, the plus means at least one letter. So having starting with n starts with n, so we got the name. We don't have anything else starting with n, and whatever else. Okay, so that's how you get the name here. Okay, and that concludes our lesson for today. By the way, just as a notice, you really don't need that much the use of an array. Mostly they use lists. Okay, that's all.